My name is Sarah Elzinga, and I'm a PhD postdoctoral scholar in Dr. Eva Feldman's lab, studying obesity and diabetes. Now, obesity and diabetes are an enormous problem in the United States and around the world, and with them come a multitude of serious complications, including nervous system complications. Now, obesity, diabetes, and their complications are affected by so-called metabolic overload, or taking in more food than the body can effectively process. Now, this triggers or worsens changes in glucose and insulin concentrations and signaling throughout the body. Additionally, it increases the body's levels of inflammation. Now, these things work together in a vicious cycle to further worsen obesity, diabetes, and their complications. Now, my interests lie in understanding how metabolic overload, changes in glucose and insulin concentrations, and inflammation contribute to neurological complications. In particular, how they affect diabetic peripheral neuropathy and cognitive decline. Now, specifically, I'm working on understanding how the inflammatory C-gas pathway contributes to the disease. In fact, we have data that shows that when you simulate a diabetic environment by giving saturated fatty acids or insulin to cultured brain and peripheral nerves, that this inflammatory pathway is turned on. Now, the proteins in this pathway are important because they represent potential new therapeutic targets for both diabetic peripheral neuropathy and cognitive decline.